Everyone wants more money, but I think that you can live very comfortably off a certain amount of money. And to me personally, I'm not interested in getting the most money as fast as possible and things like that. I think
Do we really think that you can have a sufficient amount of money and be happy? Let me know in the comments.
I feel pretty comfortable with as a grader to make some extra money. It pays about $26 an hour and I work about 10 hours a week, and basically I'm just grading papers for an undergraduate class. I was born in Seoul, Korea, but I moved to Silver Spring, Maryland when I was 4 years old and I grew up there. When I first decided that I was going to switch to teaching, my parents weren't thrilled, but it is something that I knew I wanted to do and it was important to me. But knowing that teachers are not very well compensated, I think that definitely pushed me to think about higher education even more and pursuing